typical bass has usually 4 strings, those.
And he saw my work. I was exhibiting at a convention.
I wanted a higher notes to get a higher frequency.
And then I decided to build him a 5-string bass, and he's come to Cincinnati to pick it up.
I can get those sounds.
It's one of the best I've ever built. I'm very, very happy with it.
My mama said that your life is a gift. I'm a bass player. My mama said there's much way to live. Composer. My mama said leave those bad boys alone. I play a solo. My mama said be home before the dawn. But I'm always on the run. But I'm always on the run. Multi-instrumentalist. I play lots of instruments on my YouTube channel videos. I love lots of styles of music. I play jazz and rock and pop and Eastern music, Latin music, and in my music I like to combine all those styles. I like this riff much because it contains lots of parts in it. The bass line, the drumming, the melody, and it all played at once. I can play lots of chords with it, and it sounds a bit like a guitar, which is great fun.